Well, g'day. What can we say about some of these late model petrol engines? This one's a Giantz brand. They have various sensors and other things in them that the earlier model ones didn't have. And how come this one wouldn't start? It was brand new. You put some fuel in and you pull it and turn the choke on and it goes. No, it doesn't. What happens is you first better put some oil in here. Okay, check the grade, 10W30 or whatever it's meant to be. And then what happens is when it's got oil in it, it'll send spark to the spark plug and it'll start. Well, that's a stupid idea. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. To and fro and to and fro. Here's the good news, because there's always good news. You know that. You've known there's been good news for years. What's the good news then? Come on. Well, the good news is, if the oil level on the engine gets too low, it cuts the spark to the plug and the motor stops. It doesn't blow your engine up, it doesn't seize your engine. Now you need some big bucks. No, you don't need any big bucks. There you go. If you've got a pull start engine that won't start, and you've pulled out the spark plug and gone, well, we've got no spark, and the plug's okay, and you've got the on switch on, not off, check the oil level. I gotta go, it's Friday afternoon in Australia. Wherever you are around the world, God bless you abundantly. See ya.